Okay, so welcome back. All my parts have arrived now, so I've got all the bearings, got the seals for the back. Most important thing, the balk rings. And then I bought the synchro springs just because a few of them looked a little bit funny, but they're only a couple of quid, so I might as well do them. So I bought them all from Burton. I buy a lot of stuff from Burton's. Don't know whether they're cheap or not, but they have them in stock. I bought a gasket set, a Cometic gasket set. Shouldn't need to use silicone sealant with this. And I use these on the Brabham quite a bit, and you just tighten them up. No need to use silicone, but I've got silicone if we decide to use it. But all the faces will look quite good, so we're going to try that. Hopefully I won't live to regret it, but I've used them in the past, that's good. So yeah, let's just slowly get on with it then. Right folks, so having put all this back together, I've realised these have got to go in, that's got to go in and click on before this goes in. So let's take all that apart again. How hard can it be? Being too clever. You know what I've done wrong, don't you? I should have put the selectors in before I put the back on. So we've got to take the back off again. No problem. Okay, so that's the gearbox all back together, and I've got an apology to make. It took me so long to actually get it back together that the camera, unbeknownst to me, ran out of battery. So I apologise for that, but as you can see, there is one particular way of getting these gearboxes to go back together, and it took me a few goes to actually find out what that was. But that's half the fun of doing these sort of projects. You should never be daunted by them because they will all go back together. What you've got to do is you've got to make sure that you lay everything out in order. If you've got a diagram, that's even better, so that all the bits go together in the right order, and eventually it'll go back together. But I've always been a firm believer in learning from your mistakes, and we certainly made a few mistakes on this one, but it was good fun, and it's back together. I mean, obviously the proof in the pudding is if it actually works, but that'll be for next time. So there we go. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a like, and we'll see you next time. So thanks for watching, and remember, how hard can it be?